Hello, Falcons, and welcome back to another story time. I am Miss Leverton, your librarian here at Farr Elementary School, and today we are celebrating St. Patrick's Day. So, I would like to share with you guys this book called St. Patrick's Day at Shamrocks, because this is a really interesting nonfiction book where we can learn more about this special holiday that we celebrate in March. I hope you guys are all wearing your green, and I hope you guys are ready to learn a thing or two about this fun holiday. Here we go. St. Patrick's Day Shamrocks by Mary Berendez. And here's our table of contents. Because this is a nonfiction book, this is where you can see all of the page numbers in case you want to skip ahead or jump to a certain section and learn about different information. Meet the shamrock. Green decorations are everywhere on St. Patrick's Day. Look at them closely. You will see that many of the decorations are shaped like tiny green plants. Each of the leaves on these plants has 3 parts. The parts have round edges. What are these strange-looking plants? They're shamrocks. Shamrocks grow together in large groups. They can cover an area of ground the same way that grass does. But what are shamrocks? Shamrocks are trefoils. That means their leaves have 3 parts. People are not sure exactly what kind of plant shamrocks are. Most agree that they are clover plants. Clover plants have very short roots. A plant's roots grow in the soil and soak up water. Clovers have small rounded leaves and short stems. This makes it easy to tell them apart from other plants. Why are shamrocks green? Shamrocks are green. They get their color from something called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is in almost every part of a plant. It lets plants soak up energy from the sun. Plants use this energy to make food. This is called photosynthesis. The chlorophyll in shamrocks makes them the perfect color for celebrating St. Patrick's Day. But what is St. Patrick's Day? St. Patrick's Day is a holiday that takes place every year on March 17th. People spend the day celebrating the country of Ireland. They wear green clothes to remember the green fields of Ireland. They cook Irish food and listen to Irish music. Green shamrocks can be seen everywhere. You don't have to be Irish to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. It is a lot of fun no matter what. Who is St. Patrick? St. Patrick was born long ago in Britain. He was kidnapped by pirates when he was 16 years old. The pirates sold him to work as a slave in Ireland. Patrick was very unhappy and missed his family in Britain. He prayed that God would help him get free. St. Patrick is an important religious figure. His image can be seen in statues, stained glass, and paintings throughout the world. Patrick came back home to Britain after having a dream. In the dream, God told him about a ship he could use to escape. Soon he had another dream. He dreamed that God told him the people of Ireland needed him. Patrick went to study at a monastery. Then he sailed back to Ireland. And here is a carving of St. Patrick's head, and it's on display at a chapel in Ireland in the Dublin Castle. What did St. Patrick do? Patrick taught the Irish people about God. He preached to anyone who would listen. He helped build churches and schools. Soon people everywhere began to hear about him. They began telling stories about him. These legends are still known today. There are many different stories about St. Patrick. That is one reason why people still remember him today. The legend of St. Patrick and the shamrock. The best known legend about St. Patrick involves the shamrock. Patrick's teachers at the monastery told him that God was made of three beings. People in Ireland did not understand this idea. Patrick told the people that God's three parts were like the three parts of the shamrock's leaf. The legend of St. Patrick and the shamrock is interesting, but it is not necessarily true. Shamrocks today. People today see shamrocks as lucky charms. The shamrock is also a symbol of Ireland. Its green color reminds people of Ireland's green countryside. You might not believe the legend of St. Patrick and the shamrock. Shamrocks are still cute and colorful though. They are fun to decorate with on St. Patrick's Day. Now you know why people use shamrocks to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, just like this girl's hat. And here is our handy dandy glossary in case there are any words that you would like to learn more about. There's also some resources if you would like to visit these websites and learn more about St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys all enjoyed this very informative book, and I hope you guys all learned something today about this very fun holiday. So I hope you guys have a very happy St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you next time. Thank you.